Experience is your purpose. On this channel, I share my perspective through my experiences of failures and successes. If my messages work for you, I consider that divine intervention. I'm not here to tell you how to live your life or what information you need to best fulfill the contract you made with yourself before you came here. I purposely have no information regarding you because you're not my business. My business is me. My purpose in life is to experience, and I experience through my expression of willpower and sovereignty of my own sense of self. The purpose of life is to experience, and although experiences vary, experience remains the purpose for all. Subscribe to my channel and to the newsletter below, and hit the thank you thumb. Namaste.